Hi children, this is Dr. Nadine Avandar and I'm a child psychologist and a parent coach. Now we've been talking too much on with your parents, we've been so much in touch with everybody. Now it's time for you. We are really concerned about you. So you are going to start with your formal online education and you're going to be in touch with your school and your teachers. Definitely, I'm sure you're going to adapt it beautifully more than anybody could ever think of. You'll be connecting with your teachers, with your friends online, and I'm sure it's going to be an amazing experience not only for you but also for your own friends, because I'm sure you must be already chatting with your friends online. So I'm very happy that we've actually got a lot of time to be prepared because of our summer holidays, and it's not just like a bomb on all of us. So yes, what I want you to do is to listen to these tips and share it with your friends and assure that you are not only studying but also enjoying yourselves. You need to have a balanced life. So don't be all tensed up, but then don't just neglect everything. So be balanced in everything. Be balanced with your work, studies, and your entertainment. Okay? So yes, the first thing that I would like to share is be prepared. Be prepared means before the school starts, you should be prepared. Sit with your parents or your best friends, plan a routine, what you're gonna do, how you're gonna complete your homework and everything. So that planning is a must for you now. The second thing is treat this routine as if you're going to the school. Okay, so just don't get up from the bed and you think that's it, since it's a home, it's all from home, I'll just get up and change clothes and sit in front of the camera, because it's freshening up makes a lot of difference. You feel good, you feel happy about yourself. It has very good positive effects on your mind. So yes, be healthy, maintain the hygiene, take care of yourself, sleep on time, get up on time. And yes, sleeping on time is really important. It's not just because everybody's saying about it, but then it's because the body heals itself when in the night mode. So yes, you need to take care of this also. Second thing is about your studies. Try to be on your own. Be responsible, take your own responsibilities. You need not have your parents behind you that you need to complete this and do that and all. Once you're on your own so beautifully, your parents should appreciate and feel proud about you, that yes, my child has adapted to the online education so beautifully. And yes, understand the concentration problem. Don't try to fidget, don't try to be sneaky. Be very loyal to your teachers, because I think they are doing a lot of work for you and they have been prepared to keep you hooked on the screen while they are teaching you. So give that respect and understand that the feeling that they are going through, and yes, be empathetic towards them and be with your teachers. They have been trying to be with you since long in all your ups and downs. I think this is time for us to reciprocate to them. The other thing is that in case that you don't understand or you don't follow a lesson, it's okay to ask, and it is really really important to ask. Don't feel that if everybody must have understood, it's okay and I am dumb, and you'll have these self-doubts. So don't do those those thoughts to come into your mind. So be free, and if you don't understand a topic, go ahead, talk to your teachers, your parents, your mentors, whoever you can, to talk about how to resolve your issue. Also, if you've understood it beautifully, don't just keep it to yourself. Try to share it with your friends, and you can yourself become a good mentor. So think about it. This is a time where you could shine out. The other thing and the last thing that I want to say is that try to manage the mobile addiction. Try to put the mobile into a blue filter zone. and since you're already on mobile, and it's gonna be really affecting your eyes, so try to cut down on the other mobile times and be there with the school. So I think this is the time for us students to be responsible and help the school, and I think that's how you're gonna help all your friends come through it. All the best. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, you can go on Instagram. Of course, I can. Put in your questions. We will surely help you answer all of them. You can also follow on YouTube on my channel, Nidhi Navandar, and see all the other videos and find out if your other doubts are also clear. We are always there to help. Thank you. Right now, saying bye, Dr. Nidhi Navandar, child psychologist and a parent coach. Happy studying.